Over the next 10 minutes, you are going to get a raw, unedited clip that I filmed the morning of July 31st, 2025. In this video, you'll hear me talking about battling the feelings and emotions of self doubt in day trading. This video is for day traders who keep showing up, even when the results aren't there yet, for the ones who've taken hit after hit but refuse to quit. It's for those who've spent endless hours marking up charts, journaling trades, and still wondering if the breakthrough will ever come. Please sit back and enjoy the video. And if you relate to anything you hear, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy.
What's up, guys? Welcome to a video in the car. It's about 7:43 a.m. I'm on my way to work. I just thought I'd pop open the camera here and record something out for you guys because, something came to my mind when I woke up this morning, and it's something everyone experiences when they're on their own journey or path to success, and it's self-doubt, right? I know us as traders, we go through it often. I'm sure many people go through it in any industry that they're trying to make something out of. And when I left my house this morning, I was really just like, damn, I've been learning to trade for 3-4 years. I haven't made a single dollar from it, but I know for a fact I've put in work. Maybe I missed in the past 3-4 years, maybe I missed a total of 20 to 30 days where I haven't been on, a chart studying in some sort of aspect in 4 years. So you're looking at less than a day a month. And I'm wondering to myself, damn, it's been 4 years. I haven't seen a dollar from it. I'm, soaking up online content where kids younger than me are getting some sort of level of success sooner than me. And I think that's a problem we have as humans by one, not only comparing, but having this dopamine shot of seeing people in positions that we want to be and looking at it from a more so negative spotlight, like why them and not me, compared to a positive one. I think that's natural for humans. And the thing I wanted to talk about is feeling bad for yourself in amidst that self-doubt. Damn, why haven't I seen the level of success I want to see? I see people younger than me having it. All these motivational speeches I see online are talking about, oh, I came from this struggle. Oh, my life was hard. And I know that a lot of successful people come from harder beginnings. So when I look at my life, I'm like, damn. And I'm not trying to compare, circumstances. I know everyone has their own shit. And at the time, everyone's own shit feels like the worst thing in the world. And I can't remember where I saw this, but I think maybe Gary Vee. I can't remember. Don't quote me on that. But if everyone put their shit in the middle, all their problems, you would pick yours back up and walk away. Right? So when I'm looking at my own circumstances and thinking my problems are the absolute worst because they're happening to me, and I've kind of been combating that over the past 3 or 4 years with a level of action to make it in something in order to, one, get money to provide for my family, and two, to build a business out of. And I've seen little progress in terms of, the end goal from what I see. Because maybe if I had a lower end goal, the progress I've made would actually be a lot bigger in terms of proportioning to the goal. But since the goal is so big, the level of success I've seen is a very, very, very small portion, right? So I'm just wondering to myself, damn, I've been doing this, and this for years. I've been battling the same thoughts, going through the same, trials and tribulations, and nothing's came from it so far. I haven't seen $1 from trading. And the only thing, and this is the kind of the acceptance part, the only thing you can do for yourself is continue to work. It's literally continue to work. Because so fucking what? So what you haven't seen the level of success in trading that you want to see? Many people didn't ever get to a point where they saw the success they wanted to see. And they were in the game longer than you. And, we fill up our minds with what success is supposed to be with all these online gurus who got it young, which congratulations for them, by the way. But that's the type of content that we look at and we're like, fuck. Like, I wish that was me. Because they have what I want. And they're telling me they did this and this. And I feel like I'm doing at least some aspect of that in my own way. But I'm still not getting it. I'm not getting it to the point they got it right now. And they're years younger than me. Or they're my age. Or they started later and they've seen more progress or success than me. Everyone's got a different timeline. And you're sitting here wanting it ASAP because of what you see happening online. Everyone's got different timelines, bro. Some people are going to get it young and lose it later. Some people aren't going to get it at all young and get it somewhere in their mid-40s. You never know. And that's kind of one of the uncertainties of life when we're chasing something is you never know. When I look at myself 3-4 years ago, did I think I would have the knowledge of trading in terms of technical analysis, psychology that I would have right now? No, probably not. But if I did think I was going to have this level of knowledge that I would have, and I asked myself, does this mean this level of knowledge is, leading to profits in the market? I would say yes. But still to this day, July 31st, 2025, I have not withdrawn a single dollar of profit. Just now am I starting to see, profitability. I'm thinking to myself, damn, like 3-4 years, I'm just starting to figure it out. And even then, I'm still confused as fuck if I'm doing it right, if this is actually going to work. And I've done all the prior steps necessary to get me to this point. And the self-doubt is still creeping in. So fuck self-doubt. If you've put in the work, no matter if it was over 1 year or 4 years, 5 years, and you've shown yourself some level of success compared to where you started, then you keep going. You take the momentum and you keep it rolling. Because momentum is built through actions, and repeated actions lead to progress. And progress is the only thing that's going to take you from point A to point B. So you might as well buckle down and keep on going. And you, the viewer, will have to live in the uncertainty that you don't know when it's going to happen. But you have the ability to look at your past actions over X amount of time and ask yourself, 1, have you been doing enough? 2, have I been doing the right actions for the progress I want to see? And 3, based off those answers of 1 and 2, you make the adjustments. Whether it's working 2 times, 3 times harder, changing the normal practices that you usually do, and you double down on everything to expedite time and shorten the time frame it's going to take you to get to point A to point B. Because it will take you however long. Sorry, let me rephrase that. If you think it's going to take you 10 years, that does not mean it's going to take you 10 years, right? A lot of people will say, oh, if you think it's going to happen in 10, then it's going to happen in 10. No. You can think it's going to happen in 10 years, but have the work ethic of someone who's going to make it happen in 7 years and it happens in 5 years, right? So what you need to do is just go harder with everything. There is no time to waste, especially when it comes to trading, man. We know how long these setups can take to present sometimes. And if you're not there for it, you miss it. And then now your own psychology is fucked up because you think not another move is going to come in the markets when the same shit happens every single day. So it's up to you to recognize where you are, how long it's taken you. Work off the progress you've made so far. Do not let the self-doubt kick in. And after all, keep going. Because even me to this day, 4 years into this journey, the only thing I can do is keep fucking going. And trust me, after this morning and yesterday, you know how it is as traders. You know, that moment where you feels like you forget everything. But the feelings you get or the confusion you feel is a byproduct of learning something that you currently have a misunderstanding or a hole in your knowledge about. So you guys take this video, listen to it again on a car ride, and understand that you've made it here, but it's your job to take it there. Peace.